Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about styling our list tags. So let's get right into it. We're going to create a new file and name this list.html. Same shortcuts. So let's name this styling list tags. Good. So you already know our list style. This is you ordered list and unordered list. So let's have this li. We're gonna have this as rice, beans, yam, just random things. Let's run this and see what it looks like before we continue. So this is what it looks like. Let's add styling using internal CSS. Let's give this let's just use parent and child. So I'm going to use ul li. Good. When you're styling, you don't want these bullet signs or symbols, you can take them out using CSS properties and value. So let's just list style none. You can see that that's taking away that bullet sign. So just by using this list style none. So what if you want to change it to something else? Want to change it to maybe list style type. You can make it let's try decimal. So let's change to 1 to 3. You can try this. That's lower Roman. You can see this Roman figure. You can change it to this I. You have other options available to you. See circle, you have decimal leading 0, you have lower alpha. So you want alphabet. So this is what it looks like, just to your alphabets. If you want other ones, maybe like symbols, maybe upper alphabet, you can see that capital ABC. This is also applicable to ordered lists, so you can use them as you want. So you have other ones here. Which other one can we try? Let's do the circle. Circle is you can see what it looks like. The transparent dots. So just explore your options here. We have the lower Roman, we have the Latin. Let's explore the Latin. Let's do the Greek. The Greek show more. Latin Greek, lower Greek. You can see the symbol. So this is how to style your list item. You can try to remove the list style if you don't want it to be there. So we just take out this. Save this, and we don't have it anymore, which is fine. You can also do like we have list letter spacing. You can decide to space your letters. You can do 2, 0. You can see. You can even increase it. You can see that there's a change there. So this is all for list styling. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next one. Take care.